the line. Match starts in 3, 2, 1, go.
And match number 26 underway. As in autonomous, they can gain 3 points for moving off the starting point. They can also gain a valuable ranking point if all 3 of the bots move off of the starting line and do like the Red Alliance did and score points on the coral reef. Each one of those pieces of coral scored on the reef was worth 7 points in autonomous. They now drop down to 5 as 36-35 places one on the low branch. Bounces off as 41-88 the Columbus Space Program places one in the reef high atop the red barge. 8100 the Grayson Robotics team at the reef right now, placing that coral on the reef, picking up a piece of algae. A 69-44, 8100 grab that algae, places it in the processor on the side for 6 points as it's 50 for the red and 20 for the blue. With a minute 37 left to go, 41-88 the Columbus Space Program dancing around the reef as another piece of algae is scored for the Blue Alliance. It's processed, and now the human player on the outside picks it up as 41-88 loses control of that slippery algae under the sea. It's 78-36 with a minute 15 left to go in favor of the Red Alliance in qualification match number 26 of what will be a total of 52 qualifying matches here this weekend. And there's another piece of algae scored by 41-88 for the Red Alliance, another 4 points as it's 92-40 with a minute left to go in the match. 8100 Grayson Robotics, they're at the coral reef. They're going to try to score some points. They've got their arm raised up, looking like they're trying for the high level, but they go into the mid-level worth 4. As it's 106-47 with 46 seconds left to go. Columbus Space Program high atop, got their arm up out of the water and places the algae into the net on top of the barge. Another 4 points as it's 115-54. Our current high score is 128. We may be able to beat that in this match. 29-74 Walton Robotics got that coral, placing it high as it's 127 right now to 58. With under 20 seconds left to go. The bots are headed towards the barge zone as 41-88 scores another 4 points. Scoreboard is currently showing a new high score here at Statesboro as another 4 points is scored on the Blue Alliance in the net on top of the barge there at the last second. All right, looks like a high score possibly for the event. We'll find out here in just a moment when we get all of the details and they release the fish out onto the reef. All right, let's see. Let's see what we've got. It is a Red Alliance victorious in that last match number 26 with a score of 141-69, and it is a new high score. Not only did they set a high score, they got 4 ranking points, 1 for autonomous and 3 for the victory as 29-74 maintains their hold on the number 2 position. The other 2 members of the Alliance move up in the standings. Those ranking points and the victories do add up as we move towards the final qualifying match tomorrow morning. Once again, we will be going through match number 35 today. 35 is what we're shooting for as our final match for today, completing the final 17 of the 52 52 matches tomorrow morning.